They certainly did. Now, when the Romans built Gentium, it was actually for manufacturing metal. That was its main job. You see, they had the fort and they built the whole city around it. Imagine that, all the craftsmen making spoons and brooches, water canteens, and these were all used for either the Roman army or even as souvenirs.
That's right. And within the town of Magentium, they also built ale houses and temples. There was a bathhouse which was located down on Eyre Street. They brought the fashions and the technologies of the Roman Empire right here to West Yorkshire. And the people who lived here lived their daily lives in exactly the same way as people from all over the Roman Empire. Amazing.
Wow. Well, listen everyone, thank you so much for watching our show. If you've enjoyed it, then I don't know, take a picture of us. So if not, have a lovely day here at Castleford Roman Festival. See you all later. Bye-bye!
Your photo taken with us. We're going to stick around to have our photos taken for a little while afterwards. And as you can see, our next show is at 1 o'clock, so if you miss any of that, then come back then and we'll see you there. Enjoy your day at the Castleford Roman Festival.
Al mercado comprar una